Welcome to the Mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about, YouTube. She's coming over to YouTube and she's finding some things that are disturbing to her. She's saying that she's seen where people are posting the videos and are, putting up on her face as if they're looking for something. When she's eating, they're showing her, her face, and she's saying that there's no blemishes on her face, and therefore they wouldn't see that if that was the case of what they were looking for. She's also talking about, homelessness, and that if she is that special for the government to be putting her up in a home or in the hotel by herself and paying for her there as well. She's talking about also the fact that, you know, homeless people, they don't pay for homeless people to go to the hotels and stuff like that. She's also talking about, her past where she should have gotten a house with Section 8, like other people that she knew did in the past, but she didn't take on to that, because she's explaining that there in America, you have more benefits when you have kids. You're able to get these free things, but at the time she didn't have that available to her. So go ahead and catch the video now and see what Marcia has to say. And remember, guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe on the channel. And as you know, and as you should do, is to have yourselves a wonderful one.
Yes, so. But when I go over YouTube a while ago, my spirit just get cross. I make me start cuss. Yeah. What we notice is more calm up on Facebook. I'm going to say, when I go over YouTube, they say, well, a headline with me. And well, for something. So my spirit just get cross. You must understand. So I'm having some green tea. Yeah. My spirit get cross. Even though I say me never cuss, I say me find myself start cuss. Yeah. And my spirit get cross because over there, you see demon them face. Because I say me block them from Facebook, Who talk about me, Me block them from Facebook, so I don't see none of them video. Only when I go up on YouTube now, you see the video them. With them. And to show you how the people them obsessed with me. Me say all me face. I draw up my face close up in a video and I show up my face and my lip and everything close up in a video. I don't know where them I look for. Have you ever seen any? Yeah, have you guys ever seen anything like this now in your life? Huh? Have you people ever seen anything like this now in your life? Somebody had draw up on your face. What them expect to see? Blemishes? The blemishes not in my face. What them expect to see? What them expect to see? What is it they're looking for? You tell me. Me want to know. What them I look for? What a way them people that obsessed with Marcia Campbell. This is crazy. What a way these people obsessed with Marcia Campbell. Fear take me job. What they expect to look for? What them expect to look for? Good man. What they expect to look for? What them I find? What they expect to find when I drop in my face? No, sir. This is beyond crazy. I hope you don't see up mad people who not fall out there. I'm eating some scrambled egg and quiche. I put some hot sauce on it. I put some hot sauce. Me always like this. Me never seen no this in my life. Me don't know where they expect to look for. What they expect to look for? Me not have no, if them look for some pimple in my face, for go suck out the corruption out of it and name it. You're not going to find it, because me not have it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, me I tell you. If a corruption, them I look for out of my pimple them. Me not have no pimple in my face. Except the one up here so where the year catch me. And in a right pet. Cause me put some of Marcia husband did send me one kind of something in a one jar. Anytime you see one pimple come by you touch it with it and it does work. One kind of something in one little jar where if you have any type of pimple or mosquito bite or anything, you just rub it on it. So me don't know where them I look for. Me say me go physically, I draw up my face and my lip in a camera. Like say, they expect to see something, they expect to do something. Then just a look for fault. Just a look for fault. Eh? Just a look for fault. Just a, no sir. This quiche is very good. I love quiche. This is like egg and cheese and spinach. Yeah, egg and cheese and spinach. That's what it is. Me have it myself. So go for you. Make them go on. Remember them crucify Jesus, you know. Uh-huh. Remember say, them crucify Jesus. Remember say me I live my life, you know. And Marcia live, I remember, so that's what count. I'm living my life. Happy and free. Mm-hmm. Them only can't sit down and chat it. Them have them freedom of speech, you know. So they can't say what they want to say. As long as they not touch a button. And so the police officer said, let them talk when they talk. Don't worry about them talking. As long as they don't touch me. That's all count. Uh-huh. Because those people are mad people. They have mental problem. And you cannot deal with people when they have mental problems. So exactly what the police officer tell me. I'm saying those people have mental problem. And the more you answer them, and the more them get the feed from it. So them have mental problem. Yep. So and them entitled to say what they want to say. But when them touch me, well, they will come and arrest them. That's all. But so we must allow them to talk. And if them go any further with doing whatever, I may take them to civil court. That's it. So they call them have freedom of speech. That's all. So Uno just have to just now go over there, go listen to them, and that's it. I go over YouTube and I'm listen to my face up in a camera. I draw up in a camera. I draw up in a camera. All my food and me and yam. You want more job? I'm gonna give you more job. Cause you can't near me. As cheap as this is, you can't near me. See there? Bagel. And when them can't get for nose in your place, them depend and say, oh, she no want look a corner. She no want look a corner and she can't show. You know which part me there. You know exactly where I am. And you know say a good place. And even if the price where your coat say me a pay, you can't afford it. Today make 1 month since me left Woodland Village. So check 1 month times your money where you put out on social media and check how much money you get. So according to you, me only pay 100. So 30 times 100, that's $3,000. 30 times 100, $3,000. You have $3,000? 30 times 100, $3,000. And welfare now pay. So check that. If me pay $100, I say me pay $100 a day, me in a big place. So 30 times 100, that's 3,000. 30 times 100, that's 3,000. Check that. You have that? Do you have that? I want to know if you have that. Do you have that? And you say which part me I come from, I was paying $9.50 and I can't afford it. So do you have that? Do you have that? We'll call the welfare department and tell them if they cancel the payment. We'll call welfare department. Just say welfare department to pay my bills. We'll call them and tell them, say, me have money in here. Because you're not supposed to carry the man. I ain't tell you on welfare, they might come check your house now. Well, if people come up for welfare now, because they might get bad now. Section 8, they might carry and shelter. Go, me sure know say, with common sense, me know say if you put up in a shelter, there must be rules and regulation. And if you're in a shelter, they must have somebody assigned to you if you come check up on you and come ask you a question. And if you come check up and see what me want to know, what kind of shelter they put you in, like this, when a whole heap of shelter people now and there. So me want to know, because me sure as hell, me not see one shelter somebody around here. So if they put me up in a shelter, me must would have see one other black around here. And I'm the only black somebody me see around here. Otherwise, from some flight attendant we come in, or 1 and 2 guests we come in, husband and wife. So me want to know if I saw me special, fear put me up in a guest. Come and talk to me this morning as a shelter person. So I saw me special, for them to put me up alone for shelter. If me in a shelter, me must see why the black somebody. I never seen a black somebody in here. All me see a soccer team, flight attendant, regular people, regular white people. So me want to know, I want to know if I saw me special for all the people who need housings and an assistant in art for Connecticut. How is it that me so special and put me alone in a shelter? Where is a shelter people in there? You don't contact me now? Where my members only them there? Because we don't have sense. They want to live a foreign. Where is it? Where is the shelter people them? So am I alone put up in a shelter? Me want to know if I saw me so special, if you could put up me alone in a shelter. In a this neighborhood there. You think America, you think people in Africa could put up shelter people in a this location, yeah? Not this location, yeah? You tell me. Eh? I don't see one bus pass out here. You think me want to know them how put shelter, which part me there, where all the big restaurants them there, surrounding how much big nice establishments. Me want to know where they more get public transportation for carry them so far. If you go carry them back in a town. You think say shelter people, you think them go take shelter people and take them out of the city and carry them go dash them out so far in a this neighborhood, yeah? I mean, because because a lot of persons on here, remember people are watching from all over the world, They don't understand when people come and slander people. They don't know about the American system. They don't know about how it work from how it not work. So me want to know. You tell me no. You tell me no, Violet, because you don't live a foreign, so you can't know better. Me want to know, because when these people come on social media, they slander, they're speaking to people from third world countries and other part of the world that doesn't know American system. Me know about it because me live here. Me talk to people. I never been on it before. You understand? Me across it every check. And even if me go up on the American system, me have to go wait years to get on them as or something. Me sorry, say me never applied for one Section 8 low-income family houses when me there in New York City 10, 15 years ago when people introduced me to it. I sorry say, I never applied for it. And everybody when me know, when me and them used to be friends, they had it. And moved gone across Florida, Orlando, they had it. But them have children. That was the thing. They had children. 3, 4 children, 1 children and 2 children. Me not have none. So they got it easy. Big, nice house in New York City. And government pay how much for them. And plus how much food stamp them I get. Those are the privilege that come with having children. Single people don't get shit. So you tell me no. Come talk to me. If I am the so special, you see, me make sure say me move all the way out of the town. I don't see one black person. Me go in a McDonald's. I don't see one black. Me go a TikTok, me go a Taco Bell. I don't see one black. Not even a black somebody. Me see walking behind there. I go into where you call it? Where the fast food restaurant where me like Wendy's. I don't see one blackhead. I went by KFC. No, Popeyes. I don't see one black somebody in there walk. Be a white somebody. So you come tell me now, where, if I am so fortunate to be the only welfare recipient in this establishment here, come talk to me. Come talk to me. Because you ever tell me now, say, out of all the people who want shelter, it's only me alone. Them claim for put in a them a neighborhood there. You think them are idiot? You think they want people to come in here, their money for lose in a them type of place, for come in and see people from the welfare system and certain type of people come in and them turn up out a door in front of them establishment, a smoke cigarette and a chat loud and a wear all kind of clothes and this and that in the establishment. And then when prominent people supposed to come here and see that people standing outside in them front of them building, smoking and looking certain way, them not make the money. You think the people, this is a chain. The people must make them money. So they ain't gonna carry a certain class of people come certain way. You will probably see them at